Check.
Yeah, who is this character?
Had to get this one off my chest. Check. Yo, it's sad to see adolescents with a plasma screen. Won't see me sell out like the cover of another fucking CD. See me clearly with your Visine. I rip my shirt off like I was blocking designers from designing traits and bait. I'm chewed up and spit out like bait. Drunk fans flock to me like scotch tape, aqua and grape to match my face when I face it. Not to mention that you tried to be a brethren, but you too damn basic. Lucid, elusive like the proof was so clueless. New to this like Buddha spits. Get you high so you booty pinch coochie sniff. Let's face it, your bag is fake, kid. Well, no mistake in a place produced by all these paid students who be prudent to become a needy nuisance. See me tubing opposite of Charlie, you be losing, abusing all the visions that I'm using. Connected, cruising to a connected that be connected to a path that my sixth sense
be choosing.
It's sad to see all the kids that be after me, drastically changing brains to be matching me. Weed that they always passing me, drunk bitch with the spliffs always after me. It's sad to see all the kids that be after me, drastically changing brains to be matching me. Weed that they always passing me, drunk bitch with the spliffs always after me. I'm feeling reckless, like some reckless kids that try to mosh, like Lil Wayne's feelings when he's talking Chris Bosh. Oshkosh, but gosh, thinking looking at me was looking at Drake. Cute mistake, but I was Josh. Yeah, Coop's ill as I spill all of the lyrics that I kill. I called it earned luck, but now I'm thinking that it's skill. Was popping rubber bands if it's with $5 bills. Fuck a mill, fuck a deal, make music and just chill. Well, now I'm cruising, I opposite of losing, leaving instrumentals with bruises and battle me. That'd be foolish. Well, screw me, not screw you, just like some tools, and I crank you like them wrenches. I'm home plate, you suckers still on the benches. We straight boosting, commenting on YouTubing, but I'm tubing in the fucking ocean. This motion of my music could leave you confused with all these ideas and different sensations as your mind clears with no dimensions. But did I mention my lyricism will dismiss them, and all of your brethren, your brothers, I'm behind the scenes and in the sheets like I'm undercover. No CIA, we sipping on the Gleek. What did she say? Now what did she say? Now what did she say? What did she say?